because the moment there was the National Working Committee dissolving the state ESCO of the APC and then having someone that is loyal to former Governor Wike as the chairman of the party, I saw this coming, and more defections are going to come in the days ahead. And then you look at the State Executive Council, they have sat down to approve 800 billion as the appropriation bill for 2024. Now that is going to the State Assembly. Who are the people that control the Assembly? It is now the APC. So you are going to have a system whereby that bill may not be passed, and then the governor may not be able to work. And that is the beginning of the possibility of the resumption of the impeachment process that was thwarted as a result of the intervention of some elders in Rivers State.
We commend the defectors, the assembly members. You see, 27 persons, 27 members cannot equate with 4. And if the governor of the state, who heads the executive arm of government in Rivers State, had decided to lend vent or give vent to the 4 persons over and above 27 persons, then you know that there is a complete anathema. It is not a thing anybody will want to tolerate. I'm saying this because a friend of mine had asked me what was the reason for this, and I said, even though I'm not a member of the House of Assembly, not one of those that defected, but their arguments are germane and genuine. We have gone past the era of 16 being above 19. I hope you remember that era, where 16 was deemed to be higher than 19. I've gone past that. And again, the assembly members who had defected had confided in me that leadership, governance in Rivers State had been run aground, that there is no government in Rivers State. And all of you who are pressmen will verily agree with them that there's no government going on in Rivers State. All that we have had with the former governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Wike, who is now the Minister of FCT, have all atrophied, or they are all atrophying. This government was built on the plank of consolidation and continuity. But you and I are witnesses to the fact that it is a complete aberration. Nothing is happening in the state. There is hunger in the land. What you only hear is 2 persons declaring themselves as Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly. Is that the reason why Rivers State voted for them? The answer is no. And so there has to be check and balances. Of course, you know that the whole essence of the conception of separation of powers and checks and balances is about checks. So now, if you have, now that the 27 members have defected to the All Progressive Congress, it's going to be a check on the government, because of course they have said to me that they would never be in a government that is as functus. And so we commend them for this decision that they have taken. Even though maybe some would have thought that they took this decision too late. But this is the best of all possible decision that they took. And we commend them. And we receive them with open hands. We could just go ahead to inform you that on Sunday we have planned a dedication of a new APC Rivers State. I don't know if I'm clear. We have planned a dedication of a new APC Rivers State, and it will afford us the ample opportunity to receive these cents that have returned back to where they belong. It's going to be an opportunity to receive them and show them up, not to show them off. We show them up to the public as people who represent democracy in Rivers State. And so that's the reason, essentially, we called you to share with you how happy we are that my party, the All Progressive Congress, under my watch and the new administration in the state, is now in majority in Rivers State House of Assembly. So is it not a thing that will call for joy? So that's the reason why we have called you, and we'll take questions from you, and maybe we'll elucidate if there's anything you want. Thank you.